Hello there, Kevin Tomeko here with B&K Properties here at 3322 Courthouse Road, doing a open house today, and I'm going to take a walk around and show the place. All right. Okay, so this is the yard. You can see right here we've got a circular driveway with an entrance over there and an entrance over here, so that you can get out of the driveway without having to back up. And here we have the house. Outside we have a nice backyard with a shed, a little bit of trees here, and the backyard. It's not fenced on this side, but there's another side of the yard that is fenced in, and so the entire side over there is fenced in. We've got a door on the porch so that you can block off that entire side for kids to play in, or for a small dog or something. Okay, let's head to the front door. The front door, we have a nice porch, so you can walk up and you're not kind of trying to walk up a bunch of stairs to get in. Let's go on inside. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, and right here, set up my stuff, is the first room. It is an extra sitting room or playroom if you've got little kids. And right straight ahead now, I've got the master bedroom. It's got its own private bathroom. So here we go with the master bedroom. Got a few windows. And right over here we have the closet. It's a little bit larger than most closets, a little bit deeper. You can see there. And here we go into the bathroom with its shower, dual flush toilet, and vanity. All of this was done and installed within the last few years. Okay, heading back through the front sitting room. All the floors in this house are hard surfaces. There's no carpet, so you don't have to worry about stains and all that sort of stuff. Going back into the main family room, it is hardwood for most of the rooms back here in this part of the house. Here we have got an old fireplace. We covered up, but now nice place to put a TV. You got the entertainment center with multiple cabinets and shelves here. Some nice individual charm to this house, as well as these open shelving units between the dining room and the room. Let's head on back to the kitchen here. And here we are in the kitchen, and it's got its own eat-in breakfast area as well. And we got a dishwasher, the sink, and a stove. The refrigerator is over here with some extra cabinets. And the upper cabinets have a nice little spice rack shelf there for you. And refrigerator. And through this door you see the water heater and the washer and dryer. It's a laundry room. Okay, we back right back out. See the kitchen again. You can see there's corner cabinets. The bottom one actually has a Lazy Susan sort of setup in there. So you can, one of those nice little features that we've had installed here. And right here in the kitchen is the door to the backyard. Back out to the porch. So here we go, you got the porch, and there's the shed we saw earlier, and the fence. And we go through here, and this entire part of the yard is fenced off. It's fenced off by the near the front of the side of the house, so it's a nice shaped L over there. It's still shaded with the tree and everything. Okay. And now let's go at the bedrooms and the second bathroom. apologize for the all the noise. You know, people are out there mowing, things done. In this nice neighborhood where people like to take care of their lawns fairly well. Here's the first bedroom in the front of the house. Again, you see it's all hardwood floors. You'll have all ceiling light fixtures and a double width closet. This one happens to have mirror doors. The other ones just have standard wood doors. Back into the hallway. We got central heating and air. Here's your thermostat. And here we have the, and somebody just showed up, so I'm going to finish up quick. Here's the third bedroom. The fourth bedroom, let me show you both rooms have a closet about this, at least this big. They're a little bit bigger than kind of a standard closet. You got those wide, these bifold doors. They're a little bit wider than just a standard 4-foot closet.